Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing a technical and fundamental analysis on Tesla before and after battery day. So let's get right into it. So first of all I'm going to be going over this article here about Tesla battery day, and this article, even though it has sort of like a bit of a clickbaity title, as you can see, it does have some interesting it does say some interesting things in this article that us as investors have to know. So first of all, Elon Musk did not leak like everything that's happening in battery day, absolutely. Elon Musk said that he didn't leak it, as you could see, but he did respond that they have some interesting points. So now let's go over these points that this article has. So first of all, Elon is saying that they might be using these new battery packs for some of their lower end cars, iron phosphate or LFP battery packs. So these battery packs are 20% cheaper, which is, you know, a big deal because that could mean that Tesla could run at a much higher margin and sell their cars for cheaper, so it could make their cars more mainstream. But a downside to these LFP batteries is that the regular nickel battery cells have a higher energy density, which means that they can get more range. But the good thing about the LFP energy packs is that they're getting the technology for LFP battery packs are getting much better. So some of the lower end Model 3s, as it said here, might be using these new battery packs, which could still get them a range in the high 200s and nearly 300s, which is very good news, considering that this means that Tesla could sell a much cheaper car in the future, maybe, using iron packs that is much more available to the mainstream. So now that we went over this article, I'm just going to go over quickly what I expect from battery day. So I expect from battery day, because this information was shared back in the Q2 earnings call, there's going to be a lot of new stuff in battery day. Maybe some further improvements in the iron battery pack technology, some cheaper batteries, cost cutting, batteries that can go further, etc. That's what I'm basically expecting, is major battery improvements in terms of cost cutting and range. So now that we finished with the fundamentals, let's get into the technicals. So now we're over at the Tesla charts, and there are some new support and resistance lines that I'm going to add into the chart. So I see that there's one support line here that has been built, but it's relatively weak, so it could go lower. But, you know, don't really count on this being a very strong line of support, in my opinion. So next, we have a new resistance line right here, around 460. So this is a very strong resistance line, because Tesla tried multiple times going over, and it failed multiple times. So this is probably going to prove to be quite a difficult point for Tesla to break, but I expect them to break this point after battery day. So now, on to my predictions for what's going to happen before battery day and after battery day. I realize that there's only less than even 2 trading days until battery day. So because of this, not a lot, in my opinion, could happen. But what I see is that Tesla, before battery day, right now we're around here for 33, near this point. It's possible we could dip under, to be honest with you. Realistically, I expect that we're going to stay between this 430 support line and this line right here, 460. So I think it's possible that maybe Monday, before battery day, we could maybe hit this line, maybe not. We'll see, but I expect most likely for us to stay between these 2 points before battery day. It's possible that we could, maybe, before battery day, break this line and go to here, 500. But this is the absolute roof before battery day. So I cannot possibly see Tesla going over 500 before Battery Day. But after Battery Day, I believe it's very likely that we could get over this resistance line here, 460, and maybe even get over 500 because of anticipation for delivery announcements and quarterly earnings. Alright, so now for the downside risks, I believe that if Tesla goes down before Battery Day, most likely I believe that the absolute bottom will be right here, 400. I cannot see Tesla going under 400 for the time being. And after Battery Day, I definitely don't think we're going under 400. So I expect this to be the bottom. I expect 500 or so to be the top before Battery Day. But I believe after Battery Day, you know, Pluto is the top, you know. Who knows? It's going to keep going higher probably until we get to Pluto. Who knows? Maybe it'll be 600, maybe it'll be 700. I'm not a prophet. I can't predict the far future, but what I expect is that Tesla will continue to be a leader in electric vehicles, that their profits will become much greater over time, that their other businesses, I expect that Tesla's other businesses like solar and batteries will become a bigger and bigger chunk of their business. So long term, I'm very, very bullish on Tesla, but keep it in mind that I'm not recommending you to buy or sell Tesla or do anything with the stock. All I'm doing here is informing on my opinion, so you should always do your own due diligence before buying or selling any stock. This is not a recommendation. This is just my opinion. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, comment below what other videos you want to see next. I know I said on Instagram that I will make a video on how COVID impacts the stock market. I'm working on that video. Hopefully I can get it out next week. Sorry I didn't get it out this week. School, you know. But anyways, see you later. Peace.